We could have continued a happy marriage had I not been found out, says serial rapist and one of the most brutal essay offenders I've ever heard of, Dominique Pellico. I would pay for the images of your brain because I guarantee you there is something anatomically wrong with you. It's so nice that you confessed that you are a rapist and that the other men involved are too. But then you quickly shifted blame and said that because your wife would not swing with you, she deserved to be raped, mass raped, by 52, maybe over 100 men while she was chemically asleep. And to think that the lovely married couple of 50 years went away to the south of France, but really you were purposefully isolating her from others in order to instigate this mass raping of your 6-year-old wife until she was 70 years old. And it would have continued, but police stopped you. I am so proud of my profession, psychologists, who saw how dark and inhumane you were in the recent evaluations. If I could speak French, because I would be there in a heartbeat, you just made history. You just stopped rings of this from happening and outed underground brotherhoods. So for all you pervs watching, this is your target. Dominique Pellico, it is not normal to commit these crimes. It means that there is something wrong with you. If you do things that are not typical in society, it is reasonable to question why. If you do things through a secret platform you have promoted, it is reasonable to question why. If you are introduced to this platform, but it's not quite your vibe, it is reasonable to tell the police and protect the victims. And if you didn't, you are just as at fault. Now we await the sentencing, just not of Dominique, but of all the other effing fools involved. And I'm sorry for your families, but I'm also happy that they finally get to be rid of you, and I hope to God they do.